Hi, welcome back to Ranju's Cafe. Today we are gonna prepare a paneer curry without onion and garlic. Let's see how to make it. These are the ingredients which we use to make paneer curry. First we'll make a puree. I've taken 2 tomatoes and 1 cup of coriander leaves. And soaked cashews. Grind it to a paste. Green chilies also. Take a pan, heat it. Take 1 tablespoon of ghee and add all the spices. Then add the puree which we prepared. Boil it for another 5 minutes. Now we can add the masalas. 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Then add the required salt. Then add the paneer. Cook it for another 10 minutes. Now we can add a handful of kasuri methi. It will give a good flavor. Now our curry is ready to serve. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and share. Thank you.